Hi, my name is Rosa Alejandra El Pilar Muller Ramirez. My number group 212032 script 63. My tutor Daniel Eduardo Medina. My course Valoración y Negociación de Tecnología. Agropaisa SAS, with 17 years in the market, is a leading company in the agricultural and livestock sector in the region of Santander, Norte de Santander, Boyacá, Cesar, Magdalena, and Antioquia. For its success-wide customers, quality and variety of portfolio, service and ability to companies successful, the leadership on the manager is responsible for forming solid work team in each of the company's area, constantly generally challenges that motivate their development and personal growth. Today, we generate more than 240 directors with people from each of the region where we work. We have a presence. We work with talented people who are committed to their work and the client. Market segment. The strategy used by the company is based on the experience of testing the best ingredients in the world. It is to men, women, and children socioeconomic level, age, and B, geographic factor, district short lines. Value prospect is of products from the field in its unique recipes are of excellent quality. In addition, it provides a live living of personalized customer service channels. One through pharmacies, two through the delivery service, three through your website, Facebook, WhatsApp. Customer relationship. One, the commitment is to provide a safe environment for customers. Two, offer quality products. Sources of income. Income from sales of farm supplies by are received in cash, electronic, debit, and credit cards. Key resources. 1. Infrastructure resources. Local with good architecture. 2. Human resources, empowering training. 3. They have user protocols. Key activities. Sales of product focused and needed for the fair, which is key to the development of its process. Key partners. 1. Strategic supplier of inputs for the field at a good price and a good quality. 2. Banking company that they want to provide financial access. 3. Untalented and trained staff for customer service. 4. Inversion. Custom structure. 1. Salary for staff in our areas. 2. Rental of the premise. 3. Equipment of the premise. 4. Payment of service. 5. Marketing costs. At value, the company is clear above what is one to do and one's positioning. It is certain advantage. personal, direct communication, remote, email, messaging, individuals, private, or exclusive service. These disadvantages are not clear. The purchase of raw material, the purchase of machinery, structural free zone, resource management, production, manufacture and delivery of the product, technology, new work construct, good relationship, wide customer supplies, interest growth. Af- After sales service. Thank you.